Thanks for joining me again today as we continue to look at this beautiful hotel here in Montego Bay, Hotel Catalonia. It's a cloudy morning with hardly any breeze blowing. Not much guests moving about at this time. It's day number 2 of our stay here. And we want to go and check out this artificial island located a few meters offshore. Let's go. What's your name, please?
Tessera.
What?
From Tessera,
And you're from?
Catalonia.
You're from Spain?
No.
Oh, you're from Jamaica. Oh, you work here.
Yes, I
Yeah,
work
yeah,
here.
yeah, man. Pleased to meet you.
Pleased to meet you too.
All right, have a good one. Yeah. Thanks. Another beautiful Jamaican woman. Let's continue before we get checkmate.
Located on Montego Bay.
let's keep it short and end it here. And I'll see you in the next one.